So thanks for clicking on the link to this video. I'm Alex Howard, founder of the Optimum Health Clinic. And I thought just very briefly I'd explain to you a little bit about who we are, what we do, and really what we're about. So the Optimum Health Clinic was started about 6 years ago. And it was basically started by myself as a result of my own experience with ME and chronic fatigue. I was seriously ill for 7 years, virtually bedbound for 2 years. And along my own recovery path was just so frustrated at the lack of treatments and ideas that were out there, especially in a way where they were integrated together in one place where I could really be treated as an individual as opposed to kind of a one-size-fits-all approach. And I also really felt that I wanted an organisation to exist which wasn't just about treatment but would also provide additional resources and ways of connecting to other people on a recovery path. And all of those things that would just make recovery that little bit easier. So in the 6 years that the clinic has been going, we've treated literally now thousands of people with ME and chronic fatigue in over 30 countries around the world. We've won a leading industry award, and we've now got a team of 10 specialist practitioners that are working full-time specialising in ME and chronic fatigue. And what that means is when someone's in treatment with the clinic, they're not just in treatment with one practitioner, but really with a team of practitioners. And it's actually from the most difficult, challenging patients that, as a team, we learn the most. So if, for example, you've experienced being the patient that you feel like when you go and see a practitioner, you're the one person that's not improving, they're the patients that we love. They're the patients that we learn the most from. And over the years, we've developed some world-leading protocols in a whole range of different ways of working, integrating treatments right across the psychology side, across the nutrition side, and also having a referral network for areas that we don't work with in-house. And there's so much I could say in this video, so much information that's out there, that I thought really the best thing to do would be just to point you in some directions of where you can find out a little bit more about what we do. So it's certainly worth subscribing to our YouTube channel. I believe there's about 6 or 7 hours now of free video footage with myself, with members of the clinic team, talking about a whole range of different areas of treatment and that kind of thing. There's also our main website for ME and chronic fatigue, which is www.freedomfromme.co.uk. And off there, there's a blog site where there's a whole range of articles and videos and that kind of thing. Also on that website, you can request a free information pack. And the free information pack, apart from having a detailed report explaining how we see ME and chronic fatigue and how our treatments work, is also a free documentary DVD, which was made by a group of recovered patients at the clinic about 3 patients' recovery stories with interviews with myself and 2 of the other directors around really how the clinic works. There's also a whole range of information on a website, www.secrets2recovery.com, where over the last 3 years, we've recorded about 60 hours worth of audio of patient recovery stories and tips and techniques from the clinic team and that kind of thing. So there's a huge amount of information that's out there. If you want to find out more specifically about how the clinic could work with you, we also offer free 15-minute chats where you can actually speak to either one of the psychology team or the nutrition team or both about your specific case. They can answer your personal questions to find out exactly how treatment might work. And you can email us on the email address on the screen below to find out more about that. But really, I'm talking a lot here. I just wanted to thank you for clicking on the link, to give you a little bit of a background about what we do. And I really hope, if nothing else, you find the information helpful. And maybe you may also choose to work with us and we can support you on your path to recovery. Thanks for watching.